and sitting on the floor in my living room because it's the only white spot on the wall that I have. Hi sisters! Hey mom and random people on the internet watching this right now, it's Zizi and welcome back to Zizmas. If you know me, you would definitely know that I never wear makeup in my videos. However, for some weird reason, I actually enjoy watching like all these makeup tutorials, like James Charles is the king. And back in summer when I actually started this channel, one of my first videos was me trying to kind of glam up and stuff. So I figured, as I'm doing like daily uploads at the moment, at this time, you know, subscribe down below and click the bell and come back every single day because it's a fun time. No, but basically I was like, it's Christmas season, everyone does like these crazy Christmas looks, and why don't I bring this kind of video idea back, you know? Because you guys seem to love watching me fail at DIY and beauty and all that kind of jazz, and overall just in life, to be honest. So today I collected all the makeup that we have in this house, which actually isn't a lot, but I guess I'm gonna try to do a full-on makeup tutorial and get like crazy with the eye look and do like greens and reds and glitter and all that good stuff that pops up on Google Images when you type in Christmas makeup look. I bet this is gonna be a complete disaster because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, so you just keep watching. Anyway, let's get right into it and get my greasy ass hair out of the way, shall we? I guess this works. You know, I totally would prefer not doing any foundation and stuff because I'm just lazy like that. But it's the Christmas season and it's all about like giving back to you guys and shit. So we're gonna do the full deal just for you. Although it's gonna look shit and I don't have anything to do today, so I'm just like gonna wipe that off later. So it's actually like really sad how much work will go into this. Anyway, just prime my face. And now we're gonna do foundation, you know. This is actually just like some drugstore foundation. I don't even know what that shit is. I like never use it, so that's great. So let's just like wipe that all around my face with my fake beauty blender. It doesn't even give like any coverage, I think. Or do you see a difference? Because I fucking don't. Let's put on some more then, because I definitely need it. So I'm gonna take some camouflage concealer. This is like actually the only stuff that I use because I get a lot of pimples and I need a way to kind of hide them and all my insecurities. I also always hear like the people say that the base is like really important when doing like a massive eye look or lip look or whatever, because obviously that's gonna make it like stand out and stuff, but I'm not even trying at this point, let's be real. You know, I feel like that's as good as we're gonna get for the face. I'm just like gonna put some concealer under my eyes because that's definitely needed. Some like really liquidy stuff right there. Oh wait, James Charles also does it like on the forehead and down the nose, doesn't he? Triangular shapes. I'm feeling so professional right now. Alright then, let's hope this actually like blends in nicely and shit. It definitely doesn't, but whatever, we're gonna make it work, you know, that's just what we do, making it work and shit. Definitely looks different when James does it, doesn't it? This looks so weird. I actually blend in with the white wall behind me, you know? Just a few minutes in and I already messed up. Are we surprised? I'm not. So I feel like that's it for the face. Let's actually like bake the shit out of this. Got some translucent powder right now and I already know that it's gonna be all over the floor just in a few seconds. Oh no! Anyway, let's pack that on here and also on here. I can't really talk, I'm sorry. Is that like enough? I don't know, because I don't know what I'm doing. Not gonna lie though, I'm actually quite impressed with how the base turned out, you know? However, saying that, we didn't really put on contour stuff so far. So that's probably gonna be the step where it goes completely wrong. Contour palette right here, look at that, this is awesome. Ha! So professional. You know, there's definitely more pigment than I expected. Guess it's kind of alright that way, but once we do the other side and it's gonna be completely uneven, it won't be alright at all. I think that's just what we're gonna work with, you know, because I can't change it now. Actually though, should we like try to nose contour? Answer is we probably shouldn't, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Is there a difference? Oh my gosh, yeah, there totally is. I feel like you're the boss when you know how to contour a nose. I definitely don't know how to contour a nose. I feel like up to this point it actually wasn't too bad, you know? Well, now it is. Filling in my eyebrows actually is something that I like to do because I feel like it changes a lot, although you can't see it because in my case it actually doesn't change a lot because I actually don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but you can still try. I feel like in makeup it's all about like trying and just like having fun. Yeah, you know, they say eyebrows are sisters, not twins, but mine definitely aren't even related. Should we get started on the eye look? I think so. Get ready for the epic fail of a lifetime. Now, me obviously not having a fucking clue what I'm doing when it comes to makeup. I don't own a lot of eyeshadows. However, I actually like found this palette with a lot of colorful stuff in there. I don't even know where this came from, and it's probably old AF, but we're gonna use it today. Basically, I'm aiming for like a green eye look, whatever the fuck. Then we're also gonna use this stuff. It basically is like just like some glitter stuff. And I actually bought and used this for New Year's last year when I went out with the boys. And since then, I never touched it ever again. But that's gonna change today. Anyway, first we probably should like just put some green on the lid and then like do like a smoky green eye, whatever the fuck. I don't even know what I'm doing. So basically for this look, you should just like put some green shadow all over your lid, and then you should go in with a darker shade, which I'm about to do right now, and put it in the crease, you know, the crease, and then just like blend it all in and shit, and it's gonna look fucking amazing. No, it doesn't. Whoa, just smudged it all over my face. So I just like put like this like green shit all over my lid, and then I went in with like some brown shit in the crease. So we're just gonna go over what we just like created with that petroleum green shit. Like, you can't tell me that this doesn't look Christmassy AF. Wow! It's a little bit later now, and I just like tried to kind of do the other eye off camera to catch up and shit. I don't know if it worked. I'm not sure. I just like still don't know what the fuck I'm doing. They are definitely not even. However, I was like, oh my gosh, I would love to do like something under the eye as well, which probably is a bad idea, but all the beauty gurus do it, so I'm gonna do it as well. Yeah, you know, I think we're gonna just like pack on that glitter stuff that I have right now. Oh my gosh, T, I actually have like a white eyeshadow. Let's use this in the inner corners for like snow effect. Can you see it? I don't know, you probably can't because I can't even see it. Anyway, let's actually like try with like some winged eyeliner, I guess. This is probably the worst idea that I ever had in my life. Fun fact, I don't even have black liner, so I'm just like gonna use this brown one that I just found. Guess we're just gonna try and create a line. I'm so scared. Like, this is the step that's gonna like really mess it up. Oh no, what the fuck have I just done? I mean, you know, I'm still gonna try and recreate this on the other eye. Shit. Update! So you basically look at this side and you're like, oh my gosh, this is like the worst thing ever. And then you look at this side and you're just like, wow, mind blown. It even got worse. Gosh, what the hell did just like happen? There's absolutely no way I could fix this. But we're still gonna try with like the glittery stuff on my eyelids. Oh my gosh, this is like such a weird consistency. I think we're just like gonna pack that right on the lid. Oh no. Fuck. I mean, not gonna lie, it definitely like looks bomb. I feel like we should have just like used this instead of all the other things, because you can't even see the eyeshadow anymore now. Yo, what the hell? You know, I feel like this is just like getting worse with every single step. So we probably should like leave it at this point. I don't know what the fuck I just created right there. I mean, I guess this is definitely a look that could be pulled off with some lashes. It definitely couldn't be pulled off in any way. Who am I fooling here? But I actually never wore fake lashes, and I'm not planning to do so just for the sake of this video. So maybe I should just like leave it here and just like regret all the decisions that I just like made in the last half an hour or so. So that's my look. Isn't it awesome? I'm just like gonna finish it up with like some highlight and shit. This is definitely the point where you then should put on some setting spray, but I'm not gonna do that because I don't want that stuff to sit on my face any second longer than it definitely needs to. I guess that's it, guys. Wow. So yeah, this is the finished look. If you love it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below and click the bell because I'm uploading daily at the moment at this time. Let me know that in the comments how you think I did, and also what you guys want to see me as a beauty guru do next. Please recreate this look and also my last look, link in description. And if you do, make sure to tag me on Insta and Twitter, and also follow me while you're over there. Whoops, had to change to my phone for the outro because the storage on my camera just got full because I talked so much because I love you so much. Anyway, I'm gonna go and get that crap off of my face, so thank you for wasting your time with me today. Okay, bye! Reacting to K-pop for the very first time. BTS, the 7 members of Bangtan. 17. Also 2 new artists called Stray Kids and Blackpink. It's a girl group! I'm so excited! I'm like so shook! Oh no.